Latency measures the time it takes for a request to travel from the client to the server and back, indicating the delay in communication. In the context of performance testing and load testing, latency refers to the time delay or lag between sending a request from a client to a server and receiving the corresponding response. It represents the time taken for data to travel from the client to the server and back. Latency is an important metric in performance testing because it directly impacts the user experience. High latency can result in delays and slow response times, leading to a poor user experience and frustration for the end users. It is particularly critical for applications that require real-time interactions or involve high-frequency data exchanges. Latency is influenced by various factors, including network speed, geographical distance between the client and server processing time, and the efficiency of the underlying infrastructure. By measuring and monitoring latency during performance testing, organizations can identify bottlenecks, pinpoint areas for optimization, and ensure that the system is capable of handling the expected workload. Reducing latency can lead to significant improvements in application performance, user satisfaction, and overall system efficiency. It is crucial for businesses to closely monitor and manage latency to ensure optimal performance, especially for applications that rely on timely data processing or require seamless user interactions. LoadFocus offers a powerful load testing tool that allows you to monitor and test latency for websites. 1. Create a load test scenario. Define the number of virtual users, the test duration, and other relevant parameters based on your requirements. 2. Specify the URLs or endpoints you want to monitor for latency. LoadFocus will track the response times for these URLs during the load test. 3. Run the load test. Start the load test to simulate multiple concurrent users accessing your website. LoadFocus will generate the desired load on your application, measuring the latency for the specified URLs in real time. 4. Analyze latency results. Once the load test is complete, LoadFocus provides detailed reports and analytics on latency. You can view response times, latency distribution charts, and other latency-related metrics. These insights help you identify any bottlenecks or performance issues that may be impacting latency. 5. Optimize and retest. Based on the latency analysis, you can identify areas for improvement in your website or application. Implement optimizations such as code improvements, server configuration changes, or network optimizations. After making these optimizations, retest the latency using LoadFocus to validate the improvements. Also, using different cloud testing locations can be instrumental in identifying latency issues during performance testing. Simulating real-world conditions. By selecting cloud testing locations that represent your target audience's geographical locations, you can simulate real-world conditions and measure the actual latency experienced by users in different regions. This helps identify any significant variances in response times based on geographic proximity to your servers. Global user experience. For applications with a global user base, testing from different cloud locations provides insights into the user experience across different regions. It helps identify latency issues that may affect user satisfaction and engagement in specific geographic areas, allowing you to optimize performance and ensure a consistent user experience worldwide. By leveraging LoadFocus's cloud testing capabilities and selecting diverse testing locations, you gain a comprehensive understanding of latency issues in your application. This enables you to optimize your infrastructure, network configurations, and content delivery strategies to deliver optimal performance and ensure a seamless user experience across various regions.